about 10:45. I moved past us about an hour and a half ago. The winds are moving in a different direction now. This is not bad at all right now. It's actually pretty light compared to what we have seen. We don't have much damage, but our neighbors are experiencing some damage with their roof. We're all fine though. It's getting a little hot, a little humid now without any AC. However, the wind is nice for that. We appreciate that much. Not any additional damage, just from our fence panel that fell over. But the clouds are moving pretty fast.